Hello folks, welcome to the workshop. I just want to show you what I'm up to today. I've got a bike in which is quite good for illustrative purposes, a couple of issues, so I'm just going to show you it before I get started working on it. First thing we've got is up at the headset here, and you can see the muck there and a little bit there as well. Seems worse from the top, but this is the headset bearings are I'd say the seals in them have broken down, and so the grease that's in there is getting washed out when it's ridden in the wet, and that's why you've got this streak coming out. So we're gonna have to get a look at them and see what the story is. Also, the rider has reported a problem with the shifting and the front gears. It needs to put a lot of pressure into the lever to make the front mech move, and that's purely the front mech is starting to seize up. It's very hard to move it, so gonna have to take that off, degrease it, give it a deep clean, and re-lubricate it, and hopefully that'll free it up. If not, it'll have to be replaced, because all the pivot points rivets. There's no adjustment. There's no Allen bolt or anything that can be loosened off and got in. It's all sealed up. Equally with the rear brake, when you pull the brake lever, it's not releasing all the way, so you've got this, see it, the cable's all loose, and you actually have to manually get hold of the brake caliper to release it fully. So same with that one, it needs to come off and be cleaned, and hopefully that'll free it up. This is kind of why I'm always pushing servicing, as a precursor to repairs, because you can sort of nip these issues before they arise, and it's kind of touch and go whether these things will be fixable or whether they'll have to be replaced. So in the long run, it can be cheaper for you to preempt these things, with regular servicing. So we'll see how it goes anyway. Okay.